Hello, this is Wayne. I'm here to walk you through step by step on how to upgrade with Hempworx. First thing you're going to do is go to myhempworx, make sure it's an X there, myhempworxspot.com. When you log on there, you're going to come to the website. It's going to look just like this right here. And you're going to look for email address, and you're going to enter the exact same email address that you used before. Okay, and once you got that email address entered, click on View My Team right there. It's going to take you to a website like this. And if you want to see how many people we placed in your organization already, it's pretty exciting. You can click on Genealogy. Now, to lock in that position permanently, you're going to click on Join Now. Okay, and when you click on Join Now, it's going to walk you through right here. You're going to enter your first name, last name, email address, and phone number. Okay, then you're going to go down here to username. Try your first name and last name, see if it's available. If not, you could add CBD to it somewhere, because this is the link you're going to be sending out to your friends, and you want them to make sure it's your link that you're using. Then enter your password. Okay, and then right here, you're selecting Hempworx. It's already selected for you. And you're going to start on the builder pack because you want to lock in that position right away. It's $69 plus 20. Just keep in mind you want to get on the executive kit ASAP so you can make $200 commissions instead of $100 commissions. But we understand right now timing's not on your side financially, and you just want to lock in that position, and the best available option for you. I just want to run this by you. That's $69 plus 20. It's going to get you one product, and right in here you're going to select that product. Let's say you want the CBD oil peppermint. That's where you put right there, and it's just one product there. Okay, and then I do want to run this by you because this is a real good value right here, and it's only a little bit more money, but check this out. The director pack is only $199 plus 20, and you actually get 4 products with this pack right here. And what we're having people do is get one product for yourself, because you definitely want to be on CBD oil every single day, and select 3 products. You know, maybe one of those, 2 of those, maybe one of each. And what you do with these is you sell these to your friends, because when you launch your business, you're going to have at least 3 people locally that don't want to wait on shipping, that's excited to try it. You charge them $75 each, and look, now your director pack has been paid for. So it's a lot more value there. I just wanted to run that by you, but you know your wallet better than we do right now, and I just wanted to show you what a great value that one is. But if you're ready to order, you just pick the kit you want. Go down to the very bottom here. After your kit's selected and all the products are selected, enter all your information and then click continue. As soon as you click continue, you should be good to go, and that spot you reserved is permanently saved. And I hope you understand the value on that. People that understand network marketing, timing, and leverage always wish they could get on a power leg in a binary with a powerful team. It's very rare. So you're in a very, very good situation by locking in that position. And it's going to give you an unfair advantage in the long term of this compensation plan. You're going to love it. You're going to change a lot of lives because these products are life-changing. And you're going to change a lot of lives. I'm excited to work with you. Welcome to Hempworx. Bye-bye for now.